Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 3T device versus ROG Phone 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So let's find out friends how much temperature difference we can actually see between the Snapdragon 870 processor versus Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. That's what I thought of making demonstration side by side between these both phones, and I'll try to use the real-time a floating temperature meter as you can see here. And while doing this kind of testing, I'll be using with the GT mode, and X mode will automatically get on if you try to open the benchmark test application. As you can see right now, using with the X mode and using with the GT mode, let's do the benchmark test. And in the beginning, the temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius in the beginning, and we'll try to find out what will be the high temperatures while performing this kind of testing between this both processes. Right now, as you can see friends, we're in the middle of the test, and you can see the temperature did increase up to 32 degrees Celsius. So between the both phones, exactly 32 degrees Celsius, it did increase. So this is the gaming phone from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So it was able to control the temperatures and keep under control as well, even close to Snapdragon 870, you can see. And I will be back after some time. So finally friends, after getting close to 40% of the benchmark test, you can clearly see the temperature difference 32 degrees and 33 degrees Celsius. So which is not a huge difference, I would say, between these both processes anyway, but I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, the temperature did increase up to 35 degrees Celsius in the Snapdragon 870 processor, and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor was able to maintain 34 degrees Celsius, 35 and 34. As you can see the difference, right? So since it is a gaming phone, it was able to keep the temperature under control. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And I will be back at the end of the benchmark test results. So definitely the benchmark's gonna be higher in this device, but I just want to do this kind of side-by comparison regarding the temperatures, what's going on, which might give the clear idea regarding the overall temperatures. And I will be back at the end of the benchmark test results. So finally friends, we did reach end of the benchmark test results, and you can see the score which we got in the ROG Phone 6, 10,88,959, and then temperature highest is about 34 degrees Celsius, and battery dropped by 4%. And you can see the difference between the CPU and the GPU scores. The Snapdragon 870 processor is still loading the benchmark scores here right now. And Snapdragon 870 we got about 7,10,000, and you can see the difference between this both regarding the CPU scores and GPU scores, how much it is, and the temperature did increase up to 36 degrees Celsius. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the temperatures and the benchmarks. Meanwhile, signing off, until then, stay tuned and bye.